So hello guys, I'm Nat. In this video, today is June 13, 2025, and tomorrow is June 14, and I'm currently 19 years old. And tomorrow is I'm gonna be 20 years old. So what is this video all about? For me, it's my last day of being a teenager because 19 is teen and 20 is no longer a teen. It's called. So, feeling old? Not really. I just look old. Look at me, guys. All I can say is being teen is to all who's gonna watch this. If you're under 20 years old or 19 years old, I think you need to do whatever it takes. Oh no. If you're young, you need to do what you can do. You need to do while you're still young. You need to maximize your youth to do all the things you cannot do when you get old. When you're young, you can do some things that you cannot do when you're older. Something like that. And that starts with, for example, like playing games. Yeah, playing games. Playing games is a tough. Playing games is tough for an adult like me because when you grow up, you will you're gonna run out of time to play. So while you have more time, I think you should at least enjoy it as long as you can, but not too much because too much is not really good. Yeah. So yeah, this is my last day of being teenagers, and all I can say is I have too many regrets on my past years of being teenager, and also I do have a lot of sacrifices that I still think to myself that I did it. So I made this video to remind all the younger generation who's teenagers like you, if you're watching this, is to I think you need to find your passion, not really passion, all the things you're good. Yeah, that's it. That you need to figure out what are the things you're good at, so you can in the future maybe that can help you to your living, and you need to improve it. Yeah, diba sabihin ko ayun sa I'm running out of English, so I'm gonna speak Tagalog. So yun huling araw na po ito ng pagiging teenager ko. Ang masasabi ko lang ay, ano ba masasabi ko? Grabe rin yun, ang ano kasi. Masasabi ko pa ay sa mga younger generation, gawin nyo yung mga kaya nyo pa. Para wala kayong pagsisihan paglaki nyo yun. Mga kaya nyo pag gawin nyo na. Diba? Pag di nyo kasi apakasakit magsisi. It's either fear of regret or fear of doing. Fear of doing versus fear of regret. Yeah, so that's it siguro. Ano pa ba isisingit ko sa video na to? What should I say pa ba? Ah, I think, wala na akong maisip pa. Yung bata, ayun. Let's talk about school because most of teenagers is schooling, and as a 19 years old, being a college is tough. And just like me, I didn't go college because I just don't want to. And you, it's up to you. You can go if you want, and if you're not, then it's all about your parents. If it is with, oh, if it's okay with them, you can surely go na. But if it's not, I don't know what to do. Maybe you can find some job if you don't want, so you can help them or yourself. You can help yourself. In school naman, I think do some, alam niyo yun, you know about that, you know, explore some things. If you don't have talent, learn a skill because everyone has strength and weaknesses. It's not it's not about how you it's not about the talent. It's the hard work you put into your passion or what do you wanna be. Yes. Ano ba sabihin ko? Siguro pag nag-college ay before ka mag high school, graduate ka ng high school, kailangan kung hindi mo trip mag-college or hindi ka pa sure sa course na ano mo, siguro I suggest to figure it out muna bago ka magsayang ng time kasi mahirap, mahirap ang ano mo dyan. Time, money, energy. Yeah. So that's it. I think wala na akong ibang masasabi pa. Masasabi ko lang sa last years ko pala. Ito na, magbubuhat na ako ng bangko. So nagawa ko sa 19 years na pamumuhay ko, nag-sacrifice ako. I think, ayun nga, di ako after graduating high school, I didn't go to college na because I'm doing content since 2020, since the lockdown, since the pandemic. Gumawa ako ng mga content. And I only monetized it from 2020 to 2022. So, 2022, that's the time I start earning money from doing content. So, mga nagawa ko na, ang mga nag-itulong na sa akin ng pagka-content is I already bought my own phone. I invest for better content production and also yung diba, is all of this. At the age of 19, I bought already 5 to 6 plus phones, and here this is I bought all of them by myself. I didn't ask for money to my parents. Not to pero nung simula nung ilan taon ba ako nun? I think 17. When I'm 17 years old, hindi na ako humihingi ng pera sa mga magulang ko. I stopped asking money for them because I think siguro that's why I can produce my own money. But yeah, I think din para makatulong na rin sa kanila, hindi na ako nangihingi. So ayun yung mga phones ko nga pala guys na resulta ng hard work ko. Yan yung mga provide ko. And many more. And many more because using only these phones, I can produce content that will pay me money, and also I'm a video editor. That's my current job right now. I work for my client, and he helped me so well. Yeah, and he pays me over I think 200 to $200 every month. And yeah, it's been a good opportunity to me, but I think it's a one of a thousand opportunities that I got. So thanks to him. Shout out to my bro Aljus. Shout out to you Ming Manuel. Shout out to you bro. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Because way back 2024, I think, is the time that I get tough because I don't really earn money from my own content. So I applied to him. So he helped me. So thanks to you, bro. So I can sustain being unemployed. I think I can sustain my life as as a freelancer. Yeah, I become freelancer because of him. And now I'm planning to make my own vlogs while producing videos for my client. So that's all the achievement I've got from being 18 years old. 19 years old. Also, I have a channel that I reached 100k subs in 2023, I think. Yung channel ko, tapos I think ay napabayaan ko na yon at na-freeze na yung subs dahil hindi ko na nakita sa dala siguro ng hindi ko na trip. O, kaya now I understand din iba kaya naghihinto eh. Pero syempre, all of the sudden, it's a redirection. Ngayon pala, magiging editor ako. So yes, ano masasabi ko? Bibring up ko lang guys yung mga nagawa ko as a 19 years old na nagsipag at yun, ginawa yung passion niya, sinunod yung sarili niya. Pero syempre, may kasamang sustainability ang kailangan kasi mahirap talaga sumugal dito. So yes, I sacrificed I think my time. Kasi sa paglalaro na yan eh, parang minonetize ko lang yung paglalaro ko guys ng ML, which is ML. Thank you MLBB for providing me my needs and for my passion already. So yun, ano ba? Yun ang mga achievement ko. Na-reach ko 100k subs for my YouTube channel, which is I didn't really work hard for it. It's just a snap, I think. Some few snaps na-reach ko because of shorts and ano ba? Isa pang achievement ko is siguro bilang 19 years old. And hindi katulad nung most of 19 years old like me. I can provide my own money. I didn't ask for my parents because I think they don't really, wala rin ako may kung ano, meron man, parang kakapusin pa. So yun, hindi ko bayo, hindi na ako humihingi. Achievement. Yun, ako na pala. This age, 19, I can pay our bills, our electric bills, water bills, and my Wi-Fi bills. That's, of course, it's my work. It's part of my work. So yeah, that's what I think. Ang purpose ng video na to ay konting advice lang talaga na masasabi ko bago ako mag 20 years old because I'm 19 now. In June 13, 2025, I'm 19 and tomorrow I'm gonna be 20 years old. So yeah, I think nasabi ko na yung mga gusto ko sabihin. And ayun, gusto ko na ako video to para ilo-look back ko lang paglaki, pag ano ko na, di ba? Pag tagal ko na. Tawag dito, in the future, so I can look back on this. Maybe, malay mo, marami na ako subs, di ba? Mabasa to ng mga, mapanood to ng mga subscribers ko or sino man. So yun, so main purpose of this video is, I think, for the journal and also a thing to look back in the near future or the far future. I think so. Yeah. So before this video ends, I wanna thank my younger self for sacrificing and for reaching this age. Yeah, thank you. And to the future self, I hope you will make it more. And yeah, that's it. I hope you made it. And if you're not, never give up and never stop. So yeah.